Hi guys, this is chapter 12, tidy evaluation. So in this chapter, we are going to talk about a situation where you want to write an app that allows a user to select variables in the data set. All right. And also you are using tidyverse packages such as dplyr and ggplot2. All right. So in this diagram, I have two columns on the left, problem of indirection. So I'm trying to illustrate the problem, right? When you're creating an app that allows the user to select variables in the data set, there's an issue, right? And you wanna write the code using tidyverse packages such as dplyr and ggplot2. And on the right side, I have solutions. All right. So problem of indirection, right? So you want to write this code, filter diamonds caret greater than 1. So you want your app to select diamonds. So the diamonds here is a data set's name, and caret here is a variable within the diamonds data set, right? So the code selects diamonds, right? So each row represents a diamond, right? That meets this condition, and the condition is caret greater than 1, right? And you want the user to select a variable, whether it's caret or clarity, any other variables within this data set diamonds, right? So in your Shiny app, you replace caret with input $ variable, right? That's intuitive. This is what we've learned. Now, what happens is this code doesn't work. Input $ variable, all right? When you're using it for tidyverse functions. And it turns out the Shiny understands this code as caret within double quotation greater than 1, meaning it sees caret as a value, not as a variable. So if that doesn't make sense to you, that's okay. I'm going to explain this using an example, right? Writing the code in our studio. I'm going to demonstrate this in the following video. All right. So for now, let's just understand this input $ variable, right? Doesn't work in tidyverse environment such as filter function. So what are the solutions? The solutions depends on two different situations. So when you're using data masking functions, or if you're using tidy selection functions. So I also have a list of examples. What are data masking functions? So dplyr packages arrange, filter, group by, mutate, summarize, and also ggplot2 packages is statics function, right? If you're writing input $ variable in these functions, the solution is you need to wrap this up and dot data in front of it, okay, to make it clear that the variables here, they are data variables. In other words, columns in the data set, okay? Or if you're writing this input $ variable inside the tidy selection function, such as dplyr packages select and across, and tidyr packages pivot longer, pivot wider, separate, unite functions. If you're writing input $ variable inside these tidy selection functions, the solution is wrap this input $ variables with parentheses, and then all on the line of function in front of it, or any on the line of function in front of it. All right. So again, solution to this problem of indirection varies depending on whether you are using data masking functions or tidy selection functions. All right. So I'm going to illustrate this problem and solution in the following videos using examples. See you in the next video.